Welcome to Brett's first episode of, what shall I call it?
Brett's Outback.
Brett's Outback cooking adventures. Oh no, it wouldn't be cooking adventures just because I'm cooking in my adventure. Anyway, Brett's adventures. So what we're going to do now, I'm cooking up some bacon. Primo bacon. Chuck some butter in there. As you can tell, it's very hot and I'm sweating a lot. That rhymed. Up here in Darwin, as you all know, is where I'm at. Just chucking some butter in because it tastes better than oil. Now, on the menu tonight, we got bacon, sausages with potatoes that I've cooked in the fire. We'll get them in a minute. We'll have a look at them. We're going to have potatoes from... Oh, there we go. So we're having potatoes from the fireplace, cooked under the coals obviously, with some sour cream, with bacon and sausages tonight. So we're just cooking up the bacon now, and we're going to go pull the potatoes out of the fireplace. They should be just about right, I reckon. Been in there for about an hour and a half. This is going to go viral. So if you want to subscribe, just swipe up. No, you can't do that yet because I'm not famous. But I will get there. Because this shit is going to go viral. Sweating a lot. Anyway, while we're waiting for the bacon to cook, we'll have a look at the view. This is Gunpoint. Beautiful. So we're back down there. Righto, we're up to the stage of throwing the sausages in. I've cleaned my hands. Not really. So we'll throw them. We're going to have two each tonight because we're feeling hungry. And Tex is going to get one here. Here. Tex. Come on. Come on. Yeah, I've got a sausage, look. I'm a bit camera shy. Anyway, he's eating it. We're going to cook these sausages, and in a minute we're going to go get them potatoes out, see how they look. Pretty good. A beer from up here. Oh, that's hot. Right, so hang on, we're going to go over and grab the potatoes out of the fire. Just got to get a beer out. Yeah, so we'll let that sizzle for a second. Come on. I got my helper videoing for me today because this stuff's dangerous. It's hot. And anyway, have a look down here. Oh, what do we got? Oh, there we go. Couple of potatoes. There they are. I'll get them out. Throw them in there for a minute. I reckon they feel just about done. Righto, we're still getting the potatoes out of the fireplace. It takes time. I think we'll feed an army, but as you probably can tell by now, it's not professional. This is just outback shit. Sausages and bacon, get back in there, looking pretty good, as you can see. We just going to switch her off, push it aside for the second. You can see me. Right, what we're going to do is undo one of these. They're just coming out of the fire, they're pretty hot. Do not recommend touching them with your hands straight away. Oh, look at that. Look at that. And what we're going to do is for video purposes, we'll open one up and I'll show you. Oh, crispy. Oh, look at that. Beautiful.
So it's safe to memories.
Did it? Not professional yet, but I will be. Depends how these potatoes go. Anyway, I've got them off. You can't really watch what's going on here. Oh, there goes the Bushmans. Just look at me for a minute. Next step is the sour cream onto the potatoes. You wait. I'm actually excited. Righto, next plate. Open the tatey up. Oh, you get a little bit on your hand. Yeah, you get a little bit on your hand. That's alright. Alright. Bacon. So as you can probably tell by now, the flies are really bad up here. They're pretty much eating the food as I put it down. But, you know, they won't eat much. But they are a pain in the ass. I'm struggling to deal with them this Canberra trip. And look, I reckon that they have turned out pretty amazing. Now, I'll show you what they look like. Let's have a look. Have a go at that. Yeah, there's a couple of flies, but that'll be right. Cheers. Slow down. So the eating's done. We're gonna go wash up. Yeah, I made the mess, so I'm gonna wash it up. Put that there for the minute. Oh, I'm gonna take that one too. That was from the Coles. Oh. Just quickly. Oh, it's tight. Right. Righto, let's go. Let's get it going on. Let's go have a go at this. Look at that sunset. Come on, Pet, you can help. We're going to go down to the fresh water stream to do the washing up. Fresh water set up we've got here. Sit that down. Obviously, bee croc wise, there's no crocs there today. We've had a look before we've come down to the washing up area. Yeah. Give her a bit of a swirl around. Get some paper towel in there. Yeah, she's good.